In this video, we are going to create a beautiful night scene in MS Paint with a bridge, a man, a peaceful night atmosphere. So, let's start the video. Select the line and drag it like this. Using the Fill with Color tool, select different colors from the color palette and fill different areas with color. After that, go to Resize, click on Pixel, deselect Maintain Aspect Ratio, remove the size using Ctrl X and put one there. Click OK. Again go to Resize, click on Pixel, deselect Maintain Aspect Ratio and paste the first number again, then click OK. This will create a gradient color here. Then select all, copy it, click on right and paste it here. Go to Rotate, select Flip Vertical. Use the Oval tool and select a color. Increase the size and draw. Use the Brush tool with a soft edge and fill with color. Use the Curve tool to outline the bridge and change the color. Add the bridge supports and railing using the Line tool. By changing the colors, add elements like distance mountain to enhance the night scene. You can also draw the moon using the Oval tool and create clouds. Using the Line, Shape or Brush tool, draw a small figure of a man standing on a bridge. Using white paint, draw stars in the night sky. And that's how you create a peaceful night scene with a bridge, a man in MS Paint. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.